Welcome to Tech Goods, the best gas grills of 2026, highlighting the top picks for performance, ease of use, and long-lasting quality. From sizzling steaks to perfectly grilled veggies, these grills have it all. Stay tuned as we break down the features and help you choose the ideal grill for your backyard. Links in the description for all the models we mention. Number 5. Kenmore 3-burner propane gas grill with foldable side tables is a versatile and stylish solution for outdoor cooking. Designed for backyard barbecues, it combines generous cooking space, powerful burners, and practical features that make grilling enjoyable and efficient. With 3 burners delivering a total of 30,000 BTUs, this grill provides consistent heat for perfectly cooked meats, vegetables, and seafood. The grill offers 512 square inches of total cooking space, including a primary 381 square inch grilling area and a 131 square inch warming rack for slower cooking or keeping food warm. Its porcelain-coated matte finish cast iron grates ensure excellent heat retention and durability while minimizing maintenance. The built-in heat thermometer allows precise monitoring of the cooking temperature, making it easy to achieve perfect results every time. This Kenmore grill also features foldable side shelves, creating extra workspace when needed and folding down for compact storage. The integrated grill tool holder keeps spatulas, tongs, and other accessories organized and within reach. Portability is enhanced with 4 caster wheels, 2 of which lock to keep the grill securely in place during cooking. Constructed from high-quality powder-coated steel, this grill resists corrosion, flaking, and scratches, ensuring years of reliable use. Its sleek design, combined with practical features like an electronic igniter and enclosed propane storage, makes it both functional and visually appealing. With over 100 years of trusted Kenmore performance and a 1-year parts warranty, this propane gas grill is a dependable, stylish, and convenient choice for any outdoor barbecue enthusiast. Number 4. The Char-Broil Performance Series 3-burner propane gas grill cabinet is a dependable and feature-rich option for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Designed to make backyard barbecues effortless and enjoyable, this grill combines power, convenience, and durability in a sleek and practical package. With 3 burners delivering a total of 27,000 BTUs, it provides even heat across the 340 square inch primary cooking surface, allowing for the preparation of multiple burgers, steaks, or chicken breasts at the same time. The additional 110 square inch warming rack is perfect for delicate foods or keeping cooked items warm while continuing to grill. This grill features porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which retain heat effectively and make cleaning simple. 2 spacious side shelves offer generous workspace and are pre-drilled to accommodate GearTrex accessories including tool hooks, cup holders, and condiment baskets, giving the user a fully customizable setup. The lid-mounted temperature gauge provides precise temperature readings for optimal cooking results, while the removable grease pan simplifies cleanup and maintenance. Built with a 2-door stainless steel cabinet, this grill offers convenient storage for a propane tank and grilling accessories. 4 caster wheels provide mobility, and 2 locking casters ensure stability when in use. The electronic ignition delivers reliable starts every time, and the 3 control knobs allow for precise heat adjustments. Easy assembly, high-quality materials, and practical design make the Charbroil Performance Series 3-burner propane gas grill cabinet an excellent choice for anyone looking to enjoy outdoor cooking with friends and family. Number 3. The Monument Grills 41847NG Clearview Stainless Steel Gas Grill is a versatile and powerful solution for outdoor cooking enthusiasts and families. With a total cooking area of 723 square inches, this grill provides ample space to cook multiple items at once, making it ideal for large gatherings, backyard barbecues, and entertaining guests. Its porcelain-coated cast iron grates ensure even heat distribution, excellent heat retention, and easy cleanup after every use. This grill features a Clearview Stainless Steel lid, allowing you to monitor the cooking process without lifting the lid, which helps maintain consistent heat and delivers perfectly cooked meals. Designed for flexibility, it comes ready to use with propane gas and can be converted to natural gas using the Monument Grill's conversion kit, sold separately. The 2 stainless steel side shelves provide extra workspace, and the integrated tool hooks keep utensils, sauces, and grilling accessories within easy reach. Durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, resistance to the elements, and easy maintenance. The included thermometer allows for accurate temperature monitoring, while the electronic ignition system provides reliable starts every time. With its combination of spacious cooking area, sturdy construction, and practical features, the Monument Grill's 41847NG Clearview Stainless Steel Gas Grill is an excellent investment for anyone who enjoys outdoor cooking. It delivers reliable performance, convenience, and versatility, making every backyard barbecue an effortless and enjoyable experience. Families and grill enthusiasts alike will appreciate its thoughtful design and high-quality craftsmanship. Number 2. The Royal Gourmet 6-burner freestanding liquid propane gas grill with side burner and cabinet is a high-performance grill designed for both backyard enthusiasts and serious grill masters. Its 6 burners, including a powerful 14,000 BTU sear burner and a 10,000 BTU side burner, provide a total output of 74,000 BTUs, delivering rapid and even heating across the 774 square inch cooking surface. This generous cooking space can accommodate up to 34 burgers at once, making it ideal for family gatherings, parties, and outdoor entertaining. The grill features porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which retain heat well and distribute it evenly, creating perfect sear marks and consistent cooking results. The flame tamers help prevent flare-ups while enhancing flavor. The electronic ignition system allows for reliable one-touch startup, making it easy to get the grill ready for use without any fuss. Designed for convenience, the Royal Gourmet Grill includes a side burner for preparing sauces, side dishes, or boiling water while grilling. The removable grease tray and cup simplify cleanup and reduce mess, ensuring maintenance is quick and hassle-free. Its sturdy cabinet provides storage for propane tanks and grilling accessories, keeping the grilling area organized and functional. With its combination of power, versatility, and thoughtful features, the Royal Gourmet 6-burner gas grill delivers a premium outdoor cooking experience. It is ideal for large gatherings, family cookouts, and anyone who wants reliable performance, convenience, and impressive grilling results every time they fire up the grill. Number 1. The Monument Grill's 17842 4-burner propane gas grill is an outstanding addition to any backyard, offering professional-level performance with user-friendly features. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this grill provides durability and long-lasting outdoor use. Its 4 main burners, along with a side burner, deliver a total of 60,000 BTUs, providing ample heat to cook a wide variety of meals evenly and efficiently, making it perfect for family gatherings and holiday barbecues. The grill offers a generous 700 square inch total cooking area, including 510 square inches of primary cooking surface and a 190 square inch warming rack. This large space allows you to grill multiple dishes simultaneously, while the warming rack keeps food hot without overcooking. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates ensure even heat distribution, easy cleaning, and excellent sear marks for meats and vegetables. A standout feature is the included rotisserie kit, powered by a 120-volt electric motor with enclosed housing to protect against outdoor elements. The kit allows for perfectly roasted poultry and other large cuts, adding versatility to your grilling options. LED control knobs improve visibility during nighttime cooking, and the electronic ignition system ensures reliable, hassle-free burner startup. Additional features include a side shelf with 4 accessory hooks, caster wheels for easy mobility, and a removable grease tray and drip pan for simplified cleanup. Backed by an 8-year limited warranty and supported by a dedicated customer service team, the Monument Grill's 17842 delivers exceptional quality, performance, and convenience, making it an ideal choice for anyone serious about outdoor cooking. That wraps up our look at the best gas grills of 2026. These grills combine power, versatility, and convenience to make every barbecue a success. Whether you are cooking for family, friends, or special occasions, there is a perfect option for you. Be sure to check the links in the description to learn more and pick your ideal grill. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more reviews.